just did right there.
He got a little talking to at the end of the play by the official after he gave the shush.
Who set it down for the Cowboys? Play action. Romo fires downfield, wide open, and taking it into the end zone is Des Bryant. 68 yards.
Third and 8. Can the Steelers defense get off the field? Garner.
No.
What a move by Charlie Garner. Holy cow, what a run. 40. 30. What a great run. He must have made 4 moves that just left people flat-footed.
Not since Barry Sanders have we seen anything that resembles these kind of moves. Watch this. Right. Another shovel pass. Great call. One juke. You missed me. You missed me. Spinner. Look out. I'm gone. Then he turns on the speed to get outside. Look at that.
Look like one of those old Three Stooges.
They can't even trip him.
What a magnificent run.
They've had to do it in the past. Again, Manziel flushed. How about this? And back for it and make the catch, and Walker does. It's what drove Nick Saban crazy. It's what forced him to say, I lost 10 years of my life trying to coach against you guys.
Tim, great pressure at that time by Preston Smith. There's no defense for this.
No.
How do you defend this? This is just...
They'll run it. Blunt, right side. A lot of room. LeGarrette Blunt. Full force forward. Inside the 10. Touchdown.
We get him and Gronkowski together out there with everything else they have.
Nice by West, and he breaks a long one. Stays on his feet across midfield. Terrence West. Well, he's stating his case to be the #1 running back. 28-yard run.
All right, now watch the miss right here. Watch this miss on the tackle by Duke Iheanacho in the hole. Going to limit that to about a 7-yard gain. Turns into a big gain after that.
Second and 11. The block by Ferguson. Here comes Vick. So dangerous here. He got McCain to break his ankles with a good move. If I can use some basketball vernacular, he's down to about the 3. He picks up on that run. 18. First and goal.
But they all fit now and have done a fine job. Leinart gives the ball to Bush. He bounces in there for daylight, and he's got a first down. He breaks loose. It's a foot race down the sidelines. Bush is down to the 5 and scores as he somersaults into the end zone. Fred Matua is the man that let him in there.
Incredible start for Reggie Bush and the Trojans. We talked about him being lightning. Well, you will never see a better run than this one right here. Bush hitting off the left side on the draw play.
Got caught on that one. Gets it out to Warren. That's a face mask, but see, we get a flag. There comes the flag, and he's loose.